You there. What are you doing? I never thought I'd see another friendly face again. We need to get to safety as soon as possible. Let's move. Let's get out of here, fast as we can. I'm not sure. At first they accused me of being a Stormcloak, a secret Talos worshipper. They wanted a confession. To what, didn't matter. They simply wanted me to admit to something. I think they wanted to break me, use me as a way to get to the rest of the Greymane family. I gave them no such pleasure. Let's go, let's go.
Please stay away while you get that spell on you.
I cannot thank you enough for rescuing me from this place. I suspect I'd never again see the light of day otherwise. But why would you risk your life for me, a stranger? Of course, I should have known. This was all Abelstein's idea, wasn't it? Where is he? A wise decision, but I fear he may not be safe there anymore. They'll go looking for me, and Whiterun will be the first place they search. I cannot stay. Not here. Not in Whiterun. It likely won't be safe for Avelstein either. Our best hope now is to fall in with the ranks of the Stormcloaks. But would you do me a favor? Tell my mother to suffer the winter's cold wind, for it bears aloft next summer's seeds. She'll know what it means. I thank you again, friend. You've given me my life back.
Take a good look around. I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for. Imperials. Some may call this junk. Me, I call them treasures. Duke. Come back. Take a look. Remember, I'll give you the... Huh?
You tried mercenary work? There's nothing more I can teach you. No, friend, that I'm not. But I get along with your kind well enough. No, I'm a Redguard. My family hails from the Imperial Province. But I left home when I was just a lad. Been wandering ever since. Right then.
Think you can go blade to blade with me? You'd be dead in 6. And why not? I could beat any... 100 gold says I knock your hide to the ground. Just fists. No weapons, no magic, no crying. Let's go.
I need to ask you to stop.
Let's see what
That
you're made
sh...
of.
Good. Glad we straightened
Someone
that
do
out.
something. It's nothing. Well, well. Another maggot to squash beneath my boot. Not impressed.
Those hands up.
Another maggot to squash beneath my boot.
Keep those hands up. Who taught you to fight? Keep those hands up.
Well, well. Another maggot to squash beneath my boot.
Drive that snow back to the ground. Come on! You're just gonna stand there and take
You call yourself a Nord?
taught you to fight. Keep those hands up. Drive that snow back. Come on! Who taught you to fight? Keep those hands up. Who taught you to fight?
Somebody help! You're a disgrace to your own kind.
You're just gonna stand there and
That's your best, huh? Never should have come here. I'll kill you!
take it. Fight back! Who taught you to fight?
I will destroy you.
You're just gonna stand there and take it? Fight back!
Come on, let's see you put up a fight.
Come on!
It's nothing. Well, well. Another maggot to squash beneath my boot. I'll spare you, for now.
Stand there and take it? Fight back!
Want to hear a little Nord wisdom? You don't really know a woman till you had a strong drink and a fist fight with her.
Drive that snow back to the ground. Come on!
You've been talking to those too hot-headed, they cried. Weak, pathetic cowards, the lot of them. It wasn't my fault. I told them over and over. They wanted me to prove my worth. So they threw me up against a young whelp of a lad, hardly old enough to grow his first chin hairs. I guess they thought a woman wasn't strong enough to hurt him. I didn't mean for him to die. Why would I want that? I just lost control. Good. That time's over.
You're just gonna stand there and take it? Fight back! Hey! Drive that snow back to the ground. Come on!
Please tell me. Is he? You've saved him? Oh, I must see him at once. What? After all this, I can't even see him? How do I know you're telling me the truth and not just what I want to hear?
Drive that snow back to the ground. Come on!
For it bears aloft next summer's seeds. That's my boy. So it's true then. For now it's enough to know that he's alive. I can find peace in that. Thank you, dear friend. You've given me back my son. I'd had Eorlund forge this for Thorald. It was to be a present for his return. I suppose he can't have it now. Why don't you take it? We can always make another for the day when this war ends and Thorald can come home. You take... I hope your parents are proud of you. They have a lot of reason to be...
Is he...
Any
there and
jewelry,
take it.
just
Fight
let
back!
me know.
From what I hear, you're the one who gave Salmor a black eye. You know how to pick your enemies, don't you?
Drive that snow back to the ground. Come on!
I work with my mother, sell fruits and vegetables. It's fun. Did you know? You'd be surprised how much work it is selling fruit.
Drive that snow back to the...
No.
I still need some help. If you... Exactly as I said it would. Now, are you ready to try again? I am confident it will work this time. This will be worth it. Okay, now don't move at all.
Good day, friend. Keeping well?
That isn't right. Just wait. I can fix this.
I never would have suspected the eye could be so dangerous. Ophir is right, isn't he? Magic really can overwhelm you.
This really isn't turning out the way I'd hoped. I'll get it right this time. I swear. There. All better. Well, it all worked out in the end, didn't it? Agreed. And thank you for your help. You're a good friend. It's a fine day with you around.
Good to see Skyrim. I can certainly share a bit of what I know. Well, yes. This is rather embarrassing, but it seems I've misplaced something. I can't find my alembic. I suppose I could use another one, but... well, it sounds silly, but mine has sentimental value. If you happen to see it, would you mind bringing it to me? My alembic. I need it for some research and can't seem to find it. Mm-hmm.
There are few places where one can pursue my type of work without fear of persecution. That incident in Mo... You've already learned all I can teach you. Ah, that, yes. The group prior to yours has disappeared entirely. It's possible that there was less than the necessary amount of... But we've had no contact with them for quite some time now. Arniel wondered if perhaps they'd somehow managed to get themselves lost in the Outer Realms, but I think that's giving them too much credit. I'm not sure. None of them were working on anything terribly dangerous. As I recall, Ysra was trying to improve flame cloak spells to better work in Skyrim's harsh environment. Elos Tai was practicing illusion spells. She was having trouble with the calm spells, I believe, but only ever worked with skeevers. And then there's Borvir and Rundi, twins, though they rarely agreed on anything. Those two boys were obsessed with mead. Something about using frost magic to chill the mead for a certain period of time. I felt it was a waste, but the Archmage let them proceed. All right then.
The Eye of Magnus. Here, I shall explain to you the mysteries of the Outer Realms. Till next time.
We all have you to thank for saving the college. I can teach you, but I won't be held responsible for what you do with the knowledge. Until next time.
The people of Skyrim have no appreciation for what we do here. Not that I care. Until next time.
Talk to Captain Gowland if you're looking to book passage.
Aye. May the wind be at your back, friend.
The elders talk of Braid's City is much bigger than our village. So why would anyone need so many buildings?
My mother was Skull, but she left the village, and You've brought warmth to my heart, outsider, and I'm in your debt. Please, accept this as a token of gratitude. Once again, you've proven yourself an ally to the Skull.
You're dead.
The Northern Maiden is ship-shape. Ready to go.
Do you hate the Dark Elves? Are you here to bully us and tell us to leave? You've come to the wrong city, then. Windhelm's a haven of prejudice and narrow thinking, unworthy of one such as you. Nothing new there. Most of the Nords living in Windhelm don't care much. He likes to get drunk and walk around the Grey Quarter yelling insults at us in the small hours. Some of these Nords will... And it isn't just the... In fact, just about anyone who isn't a Nord is fair game for their bullying. Safe travels.
Another day, another septim. By the hist, if I don't get something soon. No, I'm not. I feel like my scales are clawing into me. Maybe you could help an old Argonian out? I heard some of the sailors talking about how they stashed a bottle of double-distilled skooma in the Nissus Corner Club. I just need a taste. Thank you. I'll be waiting for that bottle. I would not complain.
I've been looking for you. Got something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only. Let's see here. I've got another letter from Rallis, but this is the last thing I'm delivering for him. That place is just too much for me. Looks like that's it. Got to go.
Ugh. Been tending to your... God might get nervous. All right, there. I noticed a trail of blood leading away. Helgerd's taken the body into the Hall of the Dead to prepare for burial. She's a little crazy, but if she knows anything, it's dead bodies. Don't suppose you'd enchant my sword. Donald. Blade can barely cut butter.
The Stormcloaks are finding victory across the land. The Jarl has put out a bounty to slay a giant. Here, take a look at this decree for details. Grew up here. Lot of history in these walls. We're trying to make some more. It's a lucky time to be alive. I'm not much of a strategist, but Ulfric listens to my counsel all the same. If you have any news of the Western Holds, take it to Ulfric and...
for truth. The
Travel
ghosts
safely.
of many
It's dangerous
heroes
out there.
walk among us.
Yes, there will be peace for a time, during which we must rebuild Skyrim into the land it once was. The ghosts get soon, for it will be Skyrim that shall lead Tamriel in those dark days. True sons and daughters of Skyrim reign in every city. We've crippled the Imperial Legion and cut off its head by killing General Tullius himself. What more could I ask of you? No, you're free to roam. That said, some of the Legion's staunchest men have organized themselves and are operating out of a hidden military camp. If you come across any Imperials in your travels, I expect you'll know what to do. Be careful out there.
Keep your eyes open.
What business do college mages have in a place like Sarthal anyway? It's a place for Nord dead, not your weird experiments.
Talos created the Empire. The way I see it, Ulfric's fighting a holy war.
The Stormcloaks are finding victory across the land. Travel safely. It's dangerous out there.
Spare a coin for a poor old woman. Spare a coin. Talos rewards the up to no good, are we? I'll teach. Oh, thank you. Divines bless your kind heart. It's so good to see you again. The divine smile on Talos.
To receive the blessing of Talos, you have only to pray at the altar. Blessings of Talos be upon you.
After what happened to those other women, time and again, and all the guards care about is the war.
God might get nervous. A man approaches with his weapon drawn.